After ordering from WAWAK so many times, many times, there's 5 main things that I have learned that most sewists don't know, and that could even save you some time and money. So don't go until I get through all of these with you. There's only 5 of them that we're going to go over today. So hi, my name is Katerina, and I'm with Create with Katerina. That's my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, like me or like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel, as that really helps YouTube to know that I have good content and that it will share, the algorithm on YouTube will share with other people. So the first thing I want to talk about is customer service. WAWAK's customer service is totally amazing. So one of the things I wanted to show you real quick. So here's their, one of the things I wanted to show you real quick is there's 4 ways that you can order from WAWAK. One is on their website. Another one is you can just pick up the phone and call and place your order over the phone. Another one is you can send it through the mail. You can just fill out this form right here, send it through the mail, or if you still have a fax machine in 2026, you could fax this form to WAWAK and they would receive your order. So I just thought that that's really cool that they still do things in a way that maybe older sewists don't really have the know-how or the tech savviness, or maybe they just don't feel super comfortable ordering online. This is a great way to please all segments of their customer base. When you call, you get to actually talk to a human. Now, sometimes they'll be busy and you'll get a message that says, if you want us to call you back, click 1, and it will call back on the number that you called them at. And that's what I do. I just do that every time, and they always call me back within, I would say, never more than 5 minutes am I waiting for a call back. I really like that you can talk to a human. The only message you're getting is that first initial one telling you that you can either hold on the line or you can arrange for the callback number. That is what I probably love the most about this company. And I'll just give you an example of what happened. So I placed an order and I got my order, and I did not get these. I ordered this Fisker foldable yardstick. I'm tired of using my old-fashioned wooden ones, and I use yardsticks a lot. So I wanted one that is easier for me to handle. Anyway, so I ordered this one from WAWAK, and it was not in my order. So I called them. It was easier to call than to email. It was actually much easier. So I just called them. She calls me back in about 2 to 3 minutes. And lo and behold, within a few days, I got my ruler. So that was really cool. So that's one of the things that I hear a lot from people that talk about WAWAK and like to order from them, is that you get to talk to a human. The next thing is shipping speed. The shipping speed is super fast. So they have an East Coast division and a West Coast division, which is actually in Reno, Nevada. So living on both of those sides, you're going to get your shipments really quick. Now, I just heard from somebody, a commenter, that says she was, I think she said in Texas, and she still got hers really quick, when actually on the map on their website shows that it takes a little longer to go to Texas. So if you go to their website and click on the very homepage, I have a video on this, by the way, and you can go watch how I do that. And it shows you a map of the United States, and it tells you how long your shipping is going to be. Now, if you order over $99 worth of stuff, then your shipping is free. If you order over $39, you still pay $5.95 for shipping, which is very reasonable. And you get expedited shipping. So you're going to get your shipping faster if you order $39. So those are a couple of things that are really cool about the shipping. I usually get my orders within 2 to 3 days. I am just surprised. And like this one, she goes, oh, it might take a week to get to you. It took 2 days. So that was really cool, even for a replacement thing that was left out of my box. And I got a comment from a lady in Canada, actually 2 ladies in Canada now, who said that they get their WAWAK orders within 2 weeks. And that is super good for US to Canada, and then from Canada Post to get it to your house, wherever you live in Canada. Their post isn't known to be as, fast as USPS is. So that is a really, really good to know. So you can just go on their website again, check see how long it's going to take. You can call them and ask them if you don't want to go to the website. The next thing is the catalog. A lot of people still don't know that you can get a free catalog from them. And they will, once you're on their mailing list, get yourself put on their mailing list. That's the first thing I say. Because then you're also going to get an email with their sales. And they run sales every week. And then you can buy off those sales. A lot of times they're Gutermann thread and their Schmetz needles go on sale. So it's a great time to buy them. But anyway, this catalog is free. They send it to you in the mail, and they send it a couple times a year. So it's super good because it has everything in there. So for instance, let me just look up real quick for you. I marked a couple pages for another topic that I want to talk about. But here's your Gutermann thread chart. How cool is that? Now, I just heard from one of my commenters that you can buy one of these charts, or a chart of it, and bring it with you to the store, and then you can match your fabric. Or whenever you're sewing, you can just put up the fabric to the chart and see which one you need to buy. I think that's really cool. That's in my cart already. She also told me that there was something else that had swatches on it. Zippers. YKK has a chart you can buy from WAWAK too, and I'm going to buy that too. So that's really cool. I'm going to buy both. I haven't put the zipper one in my cart yet, but I did put this chart in the cart. Anyway, so that's that. Their catalog is so extensive, and it has so many like really cool things that you can look at that you might not have even known that you needed and stuff. So that is another thing. Make sure you get the catalog. You will love having, even if you do everything on the internet, I promise you, you're going to love the catalog. I get so many comments on my videos about how much people just absolutely love this catalog. Okay, the next thing is, the fourth one is bulk versus small quantities. So sometimes you will pay less if you buy in bulk, but not all the time. So you do want to check. Now, if you're on the internet and you're on their website, all you do, when you see the little line that says, okay, let's just say, I'm just making up these numbers. If it says your Schmetz needles are $2.95, and then it'll say if you buy 5 packs of it, it drops to $4.85. And then it keeps going up and up. So the more that you buy, the less expensive they are. And so this is one of the things that I absolutely love about WAWAK is that discount you get when you buy a lot. Another store that does that really well, if you like to buy fabrics, especially if you're into making gowns and upholstery and you need a big variety, is Fabric Wholesale Direct. And you can even set up a wholesale account with them if you're a sewist. But they also give really nice discounts the more yardage you buy. So some of the things that are not as, some of the things that I would say you have to watch for is going to be, if they're big things, you don't necessarily need to buy bulk in big things. But let me see if they have, yes, they do have one here. So let's just go, I know a lot of you are bag makers, so I'm just going to go here to the bag making page, and I am going to, listen to this. Genuine leather buckles. So here's an imitation leather buckle. Here's their genuine leather buckle. Okay. So the genuine leather buckles, 1 inch, are, they say that it's normally $4.55 on other websites, I guess. So if you buy one, they're $3.98. That's really good for a ready buckle. If you buy 4 or more, it drops to $3.79, and 12 or more, $3.55. So that's actually a really good price. But there's other things. So one of the things, let me see if there's another, the bag making thing that I wanted to talk about. There's certain things. Okay, so like the D-rings. We'll go over the D-rings right now. So on D-rings, and I don't know if I found, yeah, D-rings. So if I wanted a 1 inch, which is what I usually use, or 1 1/4 inch, they're $2.80 each. And if I buy 10 of them, they are $6. So that's not bad, but on Amazon, you can get them for less. Now, quality-wise, I can't promise you if the Amazon quality is going to be better than the WAWAK quality. The other place that I do buy a lot of D-rings from is from AliExpress, because I can buy them by 100, 200. So I get a really, really good deal when I buy in big bulk like that. And I use those a lot for my wristlets that I make. So that's one of the things you need to obviously look at and compare. So make sure that you are comparing that. And that leads me to the last one, which is there are some price differences in different products. And not everything is less expensive on WAWAK, even though most things are. But so please make sure you compare the two. So I'm going to give you an example here. I paid $28 for this huge and of course that happens with black when you put it up there to the screen. This huge roll of my poly webbing, and I use this for bag making, so and backpacks and such. So this here is $28 for this entire roll, and I believe it's 100 yards. I'm pretty sure. And then, but this one, if you wanted a little piece, this one is 1 inch by 10 yards. This is less on Amazon. I do think I have a link to my Amazon. I have my Amazon store link is in the description. And just for a disclosure, I am an Amazon influencer. So I do get a small, it doesn't change your price any, but I do, if you use my links, I do get a few pennies for different things that you buy. But anyway, it is less on Amazon than it is on WAWAK when you're buying in smaller amounts of their webbing. That's one thing I know for sure. The other thing is on Amazon, my shavers, I love this one. I got this from Amazon. I'll have the link below too. This one I absolutely love. It's so good. And I love it because it's USB powered instead of batteries. So I don't have to worry about when the batteries go dead, and I can just plug it in to my phone charger. But these are less on Amazon than they are on WAWAK, and same quality. And then the last thing I wanted to show you where it's better somewhere else. Now, there's not cheaper, the clappers. So WAWAK has clappers, and their clappers are fine. I don't think they're heavy enough, okay? So this one, I can't remember the company, but again, it's in my description. The clappers will also be on my Amazon page. If you go to my Amazon store, you'll see the clappers there. And what I wanted to show you about this was it has the inches right there, but this is heavy duty. The ones at WAWAK, I have to slap too hard. This you don't. So I don't want to make a lot of noise for you in case you're sensitive ears, but so I'm going to do it lightly. See how, and that's hardly any pressure. So if I did more pressure, it's going to be even, you can tell it's really sturdy and really strong. And these are only $15. Now at WAWAK, the little tiny ones are like $7, and then the medium one is like $9 or $10. And the one that's like this might be comparable to the 15, but this is just one that I like better. So if you are looking for a good clapper, I would recommend this one that I got from this one company that has a store on Amazon. It's a very, very high quality store. Okay, so that was it for that. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And if you've made it this far, I wanted to say thank you. And I also want you to leave a comment. Tell me what you like best about WAWAK. What is it that is your favorite thing in the catalog? What is it that you bought recently? Share it with us in the comments, because I learned so much from your comments. Not only do I learn from your comments, but all the other people reading your comments are learning from your comments. We're learning from each other. I have questions in there. People want me to make a video about how I do my upcycling. I just got a message the other day that they want me to show you how to do the jean, how I cut out the jeans and put the panels in. So I get a lot of requests through there too, but we help each other. I had questions about Schmetz needles versus the other needles, and people were helping me with that. It's just wonderful. And not only that, when we have that back and forth in the comments in YouTube, what happens is YouTube goes, oh, wow, this is a great video. And then the algorithm goes and shows it to more sewists, more people like you and me, so that I can help more people and you can help more people. And that's just what we want to build, is a wonderful sewing community on YouTube. So I'm so excited to have you along for my ride. And please go watch my journey video if you have not done so yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.